Okay, on this problem we have a 2x squared plus 13x plus 20 divided by x plus 4. I'm going to write down 2x squared plus 13x plus 20. I'm going to write my factors of 20 out. And I'm going to draw my parentheses. Now that I'm going to factor, I need to multiply and get 1 and 2. So I'm going to put 1 and 2 right here, and I'm going to put 2 blanks. Just follow along. I'm going to multiply a set of these. I'm going to put these factors here, and I need to add and get these two have to add up and give me 13. I'm going to drop this plus this means the same. So I need to add and get 13. I could put, if I put 2 and 10, let's do this real quick. 10 and 2. 1 times 10 is 10, and 2 times 2 is 4. 10 plus 4 is not 13, is it? The 4 and the 5 are going to work. So I'm going to put the 4 here and the 5 here. This is just guess and check. So 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 4 is 8. And the 8 and the 5 add up to my 13, don't they? Now then, these numbers over here are going to go in the parentheses. Draw an X in the middle right here. Which one's bigger, 8 or 5? The 8's bigger. Draw an arrow to the left and circle that 4. That 4 goes here and the 1 goes with it. So I'm going to put x plus 4 here, and I'm going to put 2x plus 5 here. If I multiply these two, I get this. There's several ways to factor this. This is the way I taught myself how to do it. So I'm going to write x plus 4 and 2x plus 5 up here. The x plus 4's cancel out. All that's left is 2x plus 5. Now then, I'm going to show you a trick. You could have wrote x plus 4 up here, right? Because you know that they're going to divide evenly. What do you multiply x by to get 2x squared? You multiply it by 2x, don't you? And what do you multiply 4 by to get 20? You multiply 4 by 5 to get 20. So I could have got this factor with the x plus 4. Look up here at this one. I'm going to multiply x times x to get by x squared. I'm going to do negative 2 times what to get a positive 10? I'm going to multiply by negative 5, aren't I? So my other factor will be x minus 5. Let's go to this one. What do we multiply x by to get x squared? We multiply it by x, don't we? 3 times what's 12? It's going to be the plus 4 in it. So I really don't have to factor these. I could just use this term and this term. Go to this one. What do we multiply x by to get x squared? We multiply it by x, don't we? A positive 4 times what's a negative 28? It's a negative 7 in it. So we could get this answer right here by using this term in the dividend. Now then, let's do this one. We know that the area is 6x squared minus x minus 15, and we're going to divide it by 2x plus 3. We know that 2x plus 3 is going to work, right? So I'm going to put 2x plus 3 up here. I know it's going to factor. 2x times what is 6x squared? I need to multiply 2 by 3 to get 6, don't I? And I need an x times x to get an x squared. And then over here, a positive times a what's a negative? It's a minus. And 3 times what's 15? It's 5. So if I were to multiply this times this, I would get this. Now then, the 2x plus 3's cancel out, and my answer would be 3x minus 5. So one more time, 2x times what's 3x squared? Or 6x squared, it's going to be 3x. If I do 3x times 2x, I get my 6x squared. A positive 3 times what's a negative 15? It's a negative 5. If I multiply negative 5 times positive 3, I get a negative 15. The 2x plus 3's cancel out. Let's do this one. We got 5x squared plus 13x minus 6 divided by 5x minus 2. Put the 5x minus 2 up here and draw another parentheses. 5x times what is 5x squared? It's going to be x in it. X times 5x is 5x squared. Negative 2 times what's negative 6? That's going to be a plus 3. Negative 2 times positive 3 is a negative 6. If I multiply these two together, I'll get this. My 5x minus 2 cancels out. All that's left is my x plus 3. That's kind of the shortcut way to divide.